Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to pick a random product on eBay that we're going to use as a product example for the copywriting tutorial for the second sections. So if you remember, in the first sections, we created ad copies for Google ad campaigns, and then we went to Amazon.com and then we picked a travel pillow product as our product examples, right? So now we're going to use eBay and then we're going to pick random products. So I'm just going to type in waterproof backpack. All right, so I'm gonna click on waterproof backpack, and we're going to see many different options here on this marketplace. All right, so we're going to pick just one of them, and we're going to use it as a product example for our copywriting tutorial. All right, so basically we're going to create an ad copy for Instagram ads, Facebook ads. So yeah, I'm just gonna pick this one, I guess. So I'm gonna click on it, and what I want you to do is to copy and paste this products names, products titles on your Google Docs, and also do the same thing for the product description, so we have all necessary informations about this product, right? Because we're going to create ad copies for Facebook ads and Instagram ads. All right, so you might want to read these product descriptions first. Just make sure that you understand about this product. All right, as you guys can read here, these are the product specifications, like the size, the dimensions, right, and all features included in this product. Okay, so let's scroll back up. It costs you like $60, well, $61, right, USD. Okay, so in the next couple of videos, what we're going to do is to utilize AI to create ad copies to advertise this product on Facebook ads and Instagram ads. All right, so yeah, just make sure that you save all necessary informations about this product, because we are going to need those informations in the next couple of videos. I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.